In this demo, you'll see an example of how a marketing manager could launch a multi-channel campaign without needing developers or spending weeks on manual setup. You'll see that with Emergence, you have agents that create other agents when needed, anticipate what's coming next based on context, and create new agents for future use. Execute an entire use case, from ideation to execution. Emergence's agents autonomously create and manage other LLM-powered agents, delivering end-to-end execution of your use case. So let's dive in. The marketing manager enters a prompt in text. The orchestrator gets to work. Behind the scenes, Emergence expands the tasks to include 30 other tasks, everything from research to ideation and execution. Here's the key platform capability. The system doesn't just execute tasks in isolation, it understands the why behind them. It analyzes each task, determines what kind of agents are needed, and builds them dynamically. It first checks the agent registry. None of the agents needed for the task are found, so it creates 7 agents, each designed to handle a set of related marketing tasks for enterprise-grade deployments. These are LLM-powered agents built with the right capabilities, prompts, and context to work autonomously. You don't need to build agents manually in any agent frameworks that require complex setups, coding, or being limited to small pilots that are hard to scale. Before Emergence, this would mean manually writing prompts, writing code, building agent templates, orchestrating workflows, and testing the end-to-end execution, a complex process taking days to weeks. Let's look at what's under the hood. Each agent was created specifically to support the campaign goals, with no manual setup from the user. It assigns tasks to the appropriate agents and coordinates the flow. Creative agents develop messaging and content. Research agents gather brand and competitor insights. Planning agents design rollout strategies and channel mix. Let's look at a few tasks to show the full execution trail, covering the agent sequence, the decisions made, and the outputs generated. Here's how Emergence executes, step by step. First, it pulls brand identity and product information from the web. Next, it researches competitors in the AI solutions space. Then, it analyzes their strengths and market positioning. Based on those insights, it generates targeted campaign ideas and an overarching strategy. Finally, it drafts messaging and marketing collateral, all aligned with your brand. All outputs are generated autonomously, including strategic positioning, campaign ideas, messaging, and multi-channel tactics. It also covers influencer outreach, defines brand voice, segments audiences, and delivers ready-to-use content drafts. But the orchestrator doesn't stop there. Knowing this is a marketing manager role, it proactively creates new additional agents based on context and anticipated next tasks. So the next time the user runs a request, the system immediately utilizes these new agents. Emergence doesn't rely on manually building and chaining individual agents for each task. Instead, it proactively anticipates what's needed, dynamically generates new agents, and continuously improves them through autonomous learning and iteration. You define the goal. Emergence handles the rest. No coding or building one-off agents required. Discover Emergence today.